queens and kings, it's Dana Store Codes, Killer Queen Antique Jewelry, my favorite time. What time is it? It's haul time. Got two. One doesn't look like a large lot. I'm pretty sure it is. I'm almost positive there's some fantastic pieces in both of them. One looks like a huge lot, but we shall see. So, with no further ado, let's get these packages open and see what's here. Sorry about that, creaky. All right. Just removing their address label. My address label is on the other side. Let's pull back here a little bit. Sorry about shaking around the camera. Don't want to cut anything inside. Oh wow, it's all wrapped. Oh, more. No invoice. Okay. Ah, I found it. On the outside of the envelope. Well, these are just recent auctions, so I should know what's in them. Make sure I have you in frame here. Looks tiny. All right. I hate these sort of tags. There we go. Ooh, that is exceptionally clean. Usually when I get antique rings, they are filthy. That's a gorgeous 3-stone, 18-karat diamond ring. Need a second to look at the hallmarks inside. Yeah, they're tiny. I'll have to come back and tell you what they are. But just from the style of the ring with that mill grain, looks like, and ficus leaves up the side. I'm just guessing, top of my head, I think it's Edwardian. The diamonds are, oh, sparkle, sparkle. So Edwardian 1901 to I think around 1918. Poor Edward, he wasn't in power long, that's for certain. Just pop that in that nice little ring case. I took one out because I knew there might be more rings than that in here. Yes, it was recent, but I don't remember everything that I bought, which is terrible, but true. Oh, okay. I'm gonna cut this paper tag off. I'll just pull it off right now. All right, I need to test the gold on this, actually, or to look at the hallmarks. It's probably 14 or 18. It's Egyptian, and of course that is a color change sapphire. Egyptian gold. I'll give you, from the hallmarks, I should be able to give you an exact date. Not a purple person, you know that. but many of you are. And when I can get my hands on a color change sapphire, I will do it. I keep saying I'm not a purple person, and I keep buying more purple. But you all love purple, so. Oh, yes. Sorry. It just has the auction house on it, and I pay them enough, honestly. They don't need any advertisement. Checkerboard cut, checkerboard faceted, needs a good clean, but it's not horrible. Rock crystal quartz. That's a honkin' big ring. And must be about 7.5. I'll give you more details as I research the piece. Of course, you know they've been popular for, the better part of the 20th century. I'm not sure of the date, but I was sure it was a fantastic ring. Oh, 9-karat gold, which is the standard here. It's not either 9 or 18, or in some cases 22. Okay, that is a lot. I mean, as in a lot of things. Remember, they're uncleaned at the moment. So I'll test this gold on this, but she's definitely Victorian, neoclassic, Romanesque. Just a beautiful cameo. Oh, and it's signed. Yay! I don't know if you can sort of make out the signature there. It needs a good clean and oiling. Let's see if this piece is signed. I'm researching more of my silver, and I'll teach you all how to do that. Now that's odd. I must have had a double, because that looks very, very, very nouveau. I'll tell you more about it once I research it. Okay. Yep, there was a tie clip in the lot. List your favorite use for a tie clip. Mine is a money clip when I have cash. The chain is 9-karat. Ooh, 1911, an enameled coin set in a 9-karat coin holder. It's all enameled. I love enameled coins. And a 9-karat gold chain. Ooh, bonus, love it. I bought this hoping I have a fantastic brooch, which is a swivel. Look, check that out. It is so cool. It's almost like 3D. I wonder, we'll have to open it up and see if it's acid etched. So I'm hoping this fits my swivel locket. It looks like, almost a negative, or I don't know if you can see that. Almost like a parlor trick. See, here's where it would connect to the swivel. Hopefully it fits. And the last piece, I honestly don't know if you'll see it because I do have a Wedgwood in this color ring. This is 9-karat gold. Almost, yeah, I would say definitely a rosy gold Wedgwood pendant set in 9-karat. Yeah, that's a great lot. I saw it and like there wasn't, I mean, I had to bid for it, but there wasn't a ton of interest in it. And I'm like, oh my God, man, there's like some really amazing things in that. Yeah, give me that. Okay. Now this, oh, I know what this is. Oh, you'll all love this. Yep, big sticker on it. Ugh. Well, I know I'll be pulling this if this, well, it's gonna have to be cleaned anyway. But not thrilled that they stuck the sticker on the item. So, it's been put onto probably a watch chain because it's super long. Sterling silver, of course. It's completely hallmarked. It's a scent bottle, an antique scent bottle. Wow. Fully hallmarked with a mirror that is in good shape. Oh, this is an incredible piece. This is would have either been a necklace or my guess it would be part of a chatelaine. But still, I mean, hello. The chain all matches, so I'll probably just keep it on that chain. Nice draw bolt. Ooh, yum. Fantastic so far. Wonderful, awesome start. Okay. I can't wait to clean those up. I'm going to show you another lot that I got. Now this is glass and roll gold. It is Victorian, but it's a fabulous Victorian brooch, and I'll clean up some of that scuffing. That'll be another tutorial. Teach you how to clean up glass and gemstones. Now this is gold. I'm sure that's crystal. But that tricorn is a shape that they've used since Victorian times. And I'll put a 9-karat gold jump ring on that as well. Now these are Edwardian, and I added some modern backs to them. That's called a rubbed over finish, when the gemstone is actually set into that rolled, where it has a lip over it that holds the gemstone in. Yeah, that's called a rubbed edge. These are beautiful, multifaceted. Now the table's pretty flat because now remember, they're just learning how to cut gems differently, but the back is very faceted. That makes them look sparkly and more sparkly, not sparklier, I don't think that's a word, more sparkly and actually larger than what they are. They're about 3/4 of a carat, half to 3/4 of a carat each. But Edwardian earrings, yes please and thank you. This I'm going to have to add to a chain. Just loved the color of the huge amethyst and all of that gold around it. And then probably, definitely my favorite piece, I saved it out for last, didn't I, of that lot, is the 9-karat gold. Now, Does it look like a T-bar? Yes, it does. And it could have been used by a man or a woman at the end of their watch chain. That slides up and down. What it is a lead pencil. But if you slide it all the way back in, so that comes apart. And there's a little gemstone set in the top of that. And it would look like a T-bar that you could use through your buttonhole to secure your watch chain. It's got a nice, I'd say it's Victorian, but that's a Georgian design, that split ring. Those little split rings, oh my gosh, you'll pay $50 for a little split ring. It's crazy. But it's a beautiful little gold pencil. Or T-bar. Okay, let's get into the big lot. I mean, I could have saved this and did 2 videos, but you know, I have auctions coming in all the time, so why not? In fact, I don't think I will. I'll save it for Sunday. You're probably out there, oh, I know what I'll do. Instead of showing you that, you know it's here, and you'll know you'll see it tomorrow. But I'm going to show you the new pieces that have come in. I had people asking me for Scottish agates, and you know I love Scottish agates, so of course I'm going to get more in. Now, you've seen the banded agate piece, but what you haven't seen, I don't think I showed you. Now, this is gilt, like the bracelet, but I'm going to have them both re-gilt, actually. And there's a brooch that goes with it as well. And, of course, I have matching earrings as well. But 2 other new pieces that I love, love, love. We'll show you my absolute favorite first. The moss agate. This really needs light coming from behind it. Let me see if I can do that. It's so beautiful. It's like a stained glass window. And every time you look at it, you'll find something new. Like there's a bit of druzy in this one. I adore moss agate. There's the druzy, you can see. Of course, these are Victorian. They are Scottish and they're Victorian, and they're just a million times and kinds of fantastic. Now, I told you all that I had found one that was all flowers. Now, the only one that, no, that's even a flower. Look at the petal in the middle. So, of course, they're all agates. Kinds of banded agate, red and orange and black. And they're all banded with sterling and set with flowers on top. And I just think it's incredible. And the antique padlock. I'm telling you, this is like a weapon. That padlock end is like a weapon. It's wicked. You could pierce something with it. But I absolutely adore this bracelet. This is the earliest of the 3. These are 1870, 1880, the 2 samplers, and this one's around 1850. It's just an incredibly beautiful bracelet. Well, they all are. I hope that makes up for making you wait. Oops, and one more big thing. So one giant sterling charm bracelet, not sold, actually, to be fair, I sold a lot of giant sterling charm bracelets, but I don't think one this big. I'm gonna have to go back to that video and see what the weight on that one was, because I've already packed the buyer up. This one is 160 grams of sterling, and I forget how many articulated charms. Animals and money. The pound notes are $40 each, and there's 2 of them on here. Hearts and keys and crowns and soda. Those are like cocktail bottles. Stars and coins and filigree. Religious, there's that's Westminster Abbey, and there's a Holy Bible. There's a cute little log cabin and a couple of deer. The old woman who lived in a shoe. Just, you name it, it's on here. It's articulated, it's humongous, and currently it's a size 8. Oh, and a tassel. And heart, of course. So, if you love any of these items, or all of these items, I hope you do. I know I do. Like, I haven't taken the rock crystal off my hand. I will have to take it off to clean it. But yeah, love it. Let me know what you think. What's your favorite? Don't be afraid to say what your favorite is. You know, just always remember, if you love something, and I'll try and find more. Thank you for coming in, kings and queens. And it is so sad to not be with you all, but I've got to get my work done. I'm sure you all want your packages. So today's November the 11th, and we'll have an auction next weekend, the following weekend. Maybe even Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. I love you all, and I'll see you very soon. If you're new to the channel, thank you. I hope you subscribed and you like and you stick around and hang out with all the wonderful people that are here, because they're all queens and kings, and you can be one too. Have a great rest of your day, and I will see you very soon.